As we talk about the MySQL interface in PHP, I want to show you some code and use this code as an example to explain how it works. And this code is in a program called crud, which does the create, read, update, delete functions in a database. And it's the most basic kind of a database program, and I created it for an example so that we can illustrate these basic functions. So we're going to go ahead and install crud first so you can see how it works and so that you can use it and test it as you play with the code. So this is the XAMPP directory in the local C drive. I'm going to double click there and put it in htdocs and just copy the program over. This is exactly how we did the SID installation, and for those of you on a Mac, you can just do exactly what you did with SID. I'm going to go into the crud directory and I'm going to edit the crud program and make sure we put in our web password .bas, just like we did with SID. And with crud, there's actually a second copy, crud-mysqli, which is for the MySQLi interface. So I right-click on it, click on Edit with Notepad++, and put in the password. Now we can go ahead and run it in the web browser. And it's in the same place. It's called crud and crud.php. So this is the crud application. It uses the album database, and you can see it's got a list of albums, and inside each of these albums there is a list of tracks. And so this is basically how it works. You can add a new album. An album must have an artist, so new artist. And you can add tracks. Track number 1, this is track 1, and it's in 12 minutes and 32 seconds. And a track 2, this is another track. It's in 3 minutes and 16 seconds, and so on. And say done, and there it is, new album, new artist, etc. There it is. You can delete tracks. Has a little confirmation page. You can delete whole albums. You see that this deletes the album and all of its tracks. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at the code that makes all of this work and see how that code is written and how it interfaces with the MySQL database.